from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A Henrico native heading back to the Olympics and how you can still head around town for free for another year. We'll have details in today's Henrico News Minute for Wednesday, June 16th, 2021. It's brought to you today by Henrico County's Juneteenth celebration.
And now for the news.
A Henrico native is returning to the Olympics this year. Townley Haas qualified for his second Olympic Games yesterday, finishing second in the men's 200-meter freestyle swimming event during the U.S. Olympic team trials in Omaha, Nebraska. Now, 5 years ago, Haas earned a gold medal as part of the 4x200 relay team at the Olympics at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Now 24, he will be the only member of that team to compete at this summer's games in Tokyo, Japan. The games, of course, were delayed. They were supposed to be held last year. Haas is a 2019 graduate of the University of Texas. There he won 10 individual NCAA titles, and his Longhorns team also won 3 team titles. Previously, he swam for Benedictine and Henrico-based Nova Aquatics of Virginia. The Olympics will begin July 23rd. Getting around town on most GRTC buses will continue to cost you nothing. The company yesterday decided to remain fare-free through June of next year. That was a decision made by its board of directors and announced on Tuesday. Using state and federal COVID relief funding, GRTC has been able to provide those free trips to passengers on its local bus, Pulse, Express Bus, and Care vans since mid-March of last year. GRTC provided just more than 7 million trips between July 1st last year and May 31st of this year. You can read more about this decision at henricocitizen.com by clicking News and then Transportation. Outgoing University of Richmond President Ronald Crutcher on Monday received a Virginia House of Delegates joint resolution that honored him as a distinguished leader both at UR and in higher education. The resolution was presented to him by Henrico delegate Schuyler Van Valkenburg of the 72nd District, who also is a UR alum. The resolution honoring Crutcher was passed by both the Virginia House and the Senate earlier this year. Crutcher will conclude his 6-year term as the 10th president of the university in August, and then Kevin Halleck will begin his tenure in the role. High school graduations continue today at Richmond Raceway. The first graduation of the day will be Freeman High School at 10 a.m., followed at 2 by Deep Run High School, and then at 6 by Mills Godwin High School. Yesterday, the class of 2021 from Henrico High School, Highland Springs High, and Varina High School graduated. You can follow our website, henricocitizen.com, in the education section, and you'll see some photo galleries from many of these graduations. Yesterday, Highland Springs and Varina. We'll also have coverage and recaps of the graduations this week. And you can watch all of the graduations live on the school system's website, henricoschools.us/graduations. The first confirmed case of rabies in the county this year has been reported. Henrico Police Animal Protection officers discovered that a raccoon caught by a dog in the backyard of a residence in the 3800 block of Raynard Court, that's in the Three Chop district, had tested positive for rabies. The dog involved in the incident will be quarantined on the owner's property. No one else, human or animal, was exposed to the raccoon. Animal protection officers are encouraging residents to ensure that their pets' rabies vaccinations are current, and also to report abnormal wildlife behavior and any possible rabies exposure to the police's non-emergency number at 501-5000. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Henrico County's Juneteenth celebrations, which will take place this Saturday, June 19th, from 1 to 10 p.m. at Dory Park. To learn more, visit henrico.us/calendar/Juneteenth 2021.